So over here, you can see that I have a car right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and create out 10 copies of this car. So in that case, I can select the move tool right here and utilize something called array to go ahead and then create out copies in a certain direction. So to do that, I can simply click on this car right here and press Control as I'm clicking, and you can see that I'm in the move mode. So now I can press Control on my keyboard to go ahead and enable copy mode and place it out wherever I want right here and click. So now immediately what you want to do is you want to tell SketchUp that you want to make 10 copies. So you can press 10, and in the distance you can see that 10 is there right around over here, and then you can type in X right here. So 10X and press enter right here, and then you got 10 copies right here, just like this, as you can see right here for this car. Let me just press Ctrl Z, and let's say I want certain number of copies in a particular section. So copy mode is simply on, as you can see right here. So this is the move tool. You can go ahead and hold Control as well. So let's just go ahead and delete these out. So there are some duplicates, as you can see. So let's click, and you can see that I'm in move mode. So let me just go around and press Control so that I'm in copy mode, and I'm going to go around until here. Let's say in between I need 2 more. So I can go ahead and press 3 right here, and then backslash and press enter, and then you got 3 copies right here, and it's in between the these sections of the car, as you can see right there. And that is how you can go ahead and create out array as necessary inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.